Hello Inventors, in this video we will learn how we can create word puzzle game using MIT App Inventor. So let me show you the demo of this app first, then we will create this app step by step. So I can see the word count and enter word and chat. So these letters, 5 letters we have, so we have to make some word using all these letters. So you can increase the letters, so I have just used here only 5. So let me just make some words. So using this letter like A, just check this one is working fine, apple, and then check. Good job. If I just make suppose AP, something is word is AP called, I think check. Wrong word, nothing, word count is 2. So here we go. So we are using here MIT App Inventor. So click on start new project and my project name is word puzzle and okay. So that's our first screen. So I'm going to use your canvas. So click on that drawing and animation and you'll find your canvas, this one. And we need here two layouts, and one is for horizontal arrangement, this one, and second one is vertical arrangement here. Now make all these as a fill parent like this. Make this one also. We can make that height is 30% something like this, or we can make this one height is also maybe it will be fine for 20%, it's fine for this. Good. So that's our canvas here, or you can make this one height a little bit more, it's like 20%. We don't need too much space here, we need space here in that canvas. Now we need here, first thing is here we will use here one simple label for word count and one is for counting the word. And let me just change that is like word count something like this, and make this one 20 pixel like this. Make this all that thing in a center like this, and make this text label to 0, and make sure that the font size you can increase that 25 or 30 around like this. You can change background color of that, so I will use here colors.co. so this will generate some amazing color plates for us. So let's try this. Okay, cool. And explore trending plates. You can choose any plates here from here, so I will choose that color. So MIT App Inventor, background color, custom, and then just change it here and make this one is text color is white like this, and this one is also text color is white. Cool. White. We can make this one canvas like height is like we can make it 15% also. Cool. Now that's our word count and that is our canvas. So we need to use your image split. So click on drawing and animation here and use your image split like this here, and make sure this height and width is, you can make it 50-50 pixel, or maybe you can make it 100 pixel. Let me just try with 50-50 pixel and choose one image. Click on picture, upload file, choose file, and I have some files here. You can see the a.png, p.png. I will give you that all that files in the description link. So open that a.png and okay, and let's see that's the size. Okay, it's cool. Okay, you can decrease this size also, so but it's fine for me like so. Okay, so if you are using a multiple letters, or if you are using around maybe 20 or 30 letters, so make sure the size should be smaller. Okay, so just copy paste this 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 letters, so you can increase the letters, but I'm using here only 5 letters. So A, this one, this one. Now we need to use your word checker. So we need here, click on user interface, one text box, we need it here, one, and we need one button to check that word like this. And we need one label to display that it's a good job, it's a wrong word, something like that. And now let me just check that text box. Hint is like enter word something, and make this all this in a center, and this one is also in a center like this. Cool. You can make this vertical arrangement is like height is automatic like this, and now change that text to nothing here, and you can make it like a good good job, or something like you can make this one 20 or well done or something like that, whatever you want. And you can change the background color of that. So I will use here this one again as a background color. Custom here, paste this, oh, sorry, this one. And I will use that good job word as a in a green. Okay, so this will look like this, but I will change that. I think this should be something darker, so it will look cool. Or you can make this one magenta. Okay, cool, it's fine. Now in that button color, I will make that button color something this one, and then just change that button to like check word, this one. And then background color you can make custom and then change it here like this. Change that text color to white and make this at least 80 something. Cool, so that's our word, this check word, and good job is word. And make sure remove that word from here, because we need to use your wrong word and check word with the same label. So now that's the overall design. Now we need to code for this again. Okay, so go to the block section. So first of all, we need to do, anyone can drag and drop all these letters. Okay, so how we can do that? So it's simple. Block, click on that image spread one first. So in that image spread you will find the dragged, this one. Okay, so we can drag the image spread one, and so whenever we drag, so we have to move this. So you will find your move option, this one. We need to move it to current x and the current y like this. Okay, now image spread drag and image spread drag to move like current x and current y like that. We need to just do some all like this. So like 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we have 5 letters, so we will just all the change it. Cool, so we have 5 dragged image split. Now we have done. Now we need to use create a list. So click on list and you can see the make a list, this one. And we will use here one variable, his likeness likes global, and I will just say that global variable name is words. And I can put here some words. So I know that using all these letters, using all 5 letters, I can make apple, then a double p app, and one more thing is like lap lab. Okay, so I can just use here some word text, and then here I can just say apple app lab. Okay, so you need to figure out like how many words we can make using all these letters. Okay, so you just need to add all these letters here. Cool, so that is we have just found 3 letters. Now we have to use condition here, simple. So whenever someone click on that button, it means whenever they complete the word. Okay, and then whenever they click on that button one. Okay, so we need to check. So you can see the control and you'll see condition here, if, and click on that list and you'll find here one thing is like is in list thing. Okay, so call it here, and the thing is which thing is means like which text. So text box one dot text, say this one text. If this text was on text in which list, in this word list is here, then we need to increase the value of that label. You can see, wait a second, go to the design, you'll find that this is the 0, it means level 2. So level 2 should be increased. So level 2, so I will create the value is like count, and the count is like maths 0 for now. But whenever the word is in our list, then we will increase set global count is maths is equal to get current global count, and then just increase the value by 1 like this. Okay, and then we need to display that text also. Okay, so which text we have to display? So it's like good job. So where is that text? Is like in that label 3. Okay, so label 3 dot text. So just type here level 3, select level 3 dot set, this one here, and the text is like good job, like this, good job. And I'm going to change that level 3 dot text, this one, color. Okay, so suppose level 3 dot color. So you will find here that the text color, this one, and I will make that text color is green, this one. Okay, and if the condition is right, but the else, if the condition is wrong, then we need to just set here level 3 dot text color is like red, and then just set that is like wrong word, like this. We have to set that global count value in the word. So in that label, which one label? In this label, you can see label 2. So click on that label 2, and set label 2 dot text, this one, and this will get the value from here, like this. Cool. So that's the overall code. Okay, it's a very simple code, basic code, and that's the overall design. So if you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.